Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by doing handyman services. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can make money by doing handyman services. Now, this isn't entirely just for men. That's just the term. However, if you are somebody with the various different skills of doing things, you could potentially make a fair amount of money. If you're somebody that knows how to change out doorknobs, deadbolt locks, do siding, do roofing, maybe you're somebody that has a ladder to be able to change light bulbs in high ceilings. Maybe you're somebody that knows how to do electrical and can change out sockets. There are a number of different services you can offer for handyman style services. Could be pressure washing, it could be refinishing a floor, it could be building a deck, it could be installing rails on stairways. The possibilities are endless. And if you have the knowledge to do these kind of things, you can offer that service to people in your local community for a fee. Or you can go by a case-by-case basis, figure out what they need, and give them a quote based on what they need. Maybe you give them a free quote by them contacting you, you telling them you do these kind of services, and then they in turn go, okay, come on out, I'll show you what I need done, and then you give them a estimate on the spot. There are many different ways that you can offer these kind of services, whether it's on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or whether you do it on LinkedIn, Craigslist, or other sites. You can also list this kind of service on the pin boards outside of grocery stores in your area. And who knows, maybe you can turn this into a full-time business where you're on a constant basis doing something in your area for a fair amount of money. If this is something that interests you and you want more details, I highly recommend checking out my blog on consulttheblindguy.com/blog for more details and information on how you can get started doing this today and start making some money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found today's video helpful. Until the next time, stay safe. We'll see you in the next episode.